You want to learn financial modeling? Great. This is how you go about it. Your friends need to hand you a good financial model. You are smart, you can study it and understand the concept. It's you against you. You need to take it apart, you need to learn it by heart, you need to rebuild it. If you repeat building the model until you cannot get it wrong, you have accomplished the mission. You have learned 80% of what is needed, the other 20% can be learned on the job. This is how it worked for me. I'm confident this is how it will work in your case. Trust the process. You can learn financial modeling in a few days. Hit me up in case your friends cannot help out and you're in need of a good practice model.
The Analyst Method. Acquire investment banking skills. Outperform at your job.